We're Jill and Monet, and for the past 3 months, we have been traveling all over the United States, including Alaska. Last week, our journey brought us back to Washington State for an amazing fun boat trip. But when the boat trip ended, we had a few days to kill, so we decided to use iOverlander to find some amazing places to camp. All right, I think we found a spot.
Well, we got to see if anybody else is there yet.
It's down this road, so a lot of people said it's like really pretty, really cool, right on the lake. So we'll see. So far, it seems pretty mellow. There's a car behind us, but I think there was like a lot of spaces though. It's like just like a big beach pullout, so I think everyone can share, right? We'll see how it is.
I think we found our spot.
I think we got a spot. It's kind of cool. Look, the lake is right there.
This is home now.
Let's set up our bed and get all cozy. Okay. What time is it?
It is
A little walking trail.
4 o'clock.
Oh, look, there's a trailhead right there.
Nice.
You can walk up there. You should buy some bear spray.
We walked down to the water, but it's only right up there.
There's a big tent party going on.
Yeah, there's like cool. 8 tents down that way. Seems like a good time. But I think considering that we showed up about 20 minutes ago, we are very lucky that we even got a spot, so.
Yeah, this is pretty sweet.
Oh yeah. Oh wait. I'm glad you're thinking of that since we packed 4 gallons of water for one day.
This water's so warm. I'm like shocked. So this is glacier water, so I'm like shocked that it's so warm. I wonder where this goes.
Everybody's gone to the bathroom here.
I know, right? Oh my god, it really is. It's like a pee trail.
Ew, it's actually really sad.
Oh,
why would you leave it? That's honestly so fucked up.
literally look at it.
That is so fucked up. All the way up.
All right. What are we doing right now?
We're gonna make this
Where's
into
our car bed?
I know it doesn't seem promising, but it's possible.
It is. One coat. Okay, we kind of have our bed set up, huh?
A little. It's pretty good.
We're gonna fold it all the way back come nighttime, but it's still kind of earlier in the day, so. I think we're gonna crack some wine. This is home. How do you feel being home, Monet?
Do you want to eat some cereal?
Definitely dinner time.
So there's obviously, well, maybe not obviously.
We've just been chilling because we've had a really intense, crazy week, and we're just chilling, honestly. Yeah. In the car, by the way, this is so cozy. We have a memory foam pad.
This year it's extremely dry in Washington. So
Washington.
You cannot light a fire. Like every 3 trees, there's like fire warning. Do not light a fire. We're gonna get a little spread out. And then we're gonna go to bed early. It's only 5, but we're gonna go to bed after we eat some cereal. Okay, so on the menu tonight is dun, 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 hummus and crackers. Great option. Juanitos and salsa.
Bag salad.
Oh yeah, we got bag salad. We got Honey Bunches of Oats with a peach and Chobani oat milk.
Go get the bag salad.
Wine and
Bag salad.
this smoked tomato hummus, honestly.
Is it good?
Delicious.
Let me try.
I feel like I'm getting bit. I need to go put on more bug spray.
And now it's dinner.
Okay, we're gonna eat.
Yeah.
I know how much you just love to watch us eat, so.
So this is the final setup.
So we got this little bar, we got water,
We have everything we need.
our toothbrush.
Our chocolate assortment. Okay, we have salted caramel, raspberry and dark chocolate, and I was really craving something peanut buttery.
Peanut butter cups,
Peanut butter cups.
dark chocolate.
So we have dessert. We probably won't break into all of them.
Yeah, truly, it's not that bad. It's pretty cozy in here.
Yeah, it is. We're probably just gonna watch some Netflix or some YouTube and hit the hay. It's kind of early, but we've been just like, we need to sleep.
Yeah. It is seriously only 7 p.m.
7:30.
Oh, it's 7:30 now.
Yeah.
Didn't even eat any chocolate. I literally just want to brush my teeth and go to bed. I feel exhausted. Exhausted. What do you think? Is it too early?
Yeah, I still have some videos to watch on YouTube.
Well,
we haven't even caught up on any of the good
I know,
ones.
but I would like to brush my teeth to then be like, okay, now I can go to sleep
Okay.
if I so
Let's
choose.
do it. Let's take a little break.
Okay. Okay, we shall brush.
Oh, update.
So many people showed up. There's like now a car parked like right there. There's like the, what's it called? The Forest Service showed up to make sure that nobody had fires. Like cars have been in and out. I've seen like multiple vans like drive down and then turn around because it's like completely filled. So when we got here at 3, we were chilling.
Chillaxing.
But now,
It's getting litty, man.
yeah.
When we leave tomorrow morning, someone's gonna be very lucky with our spot.
Yeah. Faux show.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna brush my teeth now. What time is it? We finally made it to an acceptable time to go to bed.
It's 10:20.
People have still been rolling in and out of this place.
Oh yeah,
They'll-
they're trying to find a spot. We're the lucky ones.
yeah. So we finally got caught up on YouTube, all of our YouTube videos.
It only took us like 5 hours.
Yeah, seriously.
Probably closer to 4. No, maybe 5.
It's an acceptable time to go to bed now, and I am tired.
Let's
so
hit the sack.
we will see you all in the morning. Tell scary ghost stories. Okay, good night.
How'd you sleep?
I slept pretty good. I found a cozy spot and I passed out. But you're a little bit of a bed hog and you toss and turn a lot.
Okay, should we pack up and head out?
I think so. I think we gotta hit the road.
Okay, let's do it.
I think that I'm gonna take a nap and you're gonna start driving. And I'm gonna be right here.
Yeah, fucking right.
It feels so cozy.
know.
Cold food.
Oh yeah.
We're not really making it. But we're
It's
pouring
pretty.
it.
You are too good.
It's delicious.
Okay.
Officially back on the road.
Yes.
Okay, so today we got to get to our storage unit.
Switch out some clothes.
Yeah.
And we have a wedding reception to go to of Monet's cousin. Haley, shout out Haley.
Yeah,
she watches. We love you. You're the best. You and Mark, we love you.
She's a mega fan.
She's a mega fan. She's probably our
She
biggest
keeps
fan.
us on our toes.
Yeah, she's like, why didn't you post today? We're like, oh my gosh, we love you. We love you. Happy wedding reception day.
Yeah.
It's so dirty.
Maybe we'll just fly it.